Hi folks, welcome to Barb Makes Things. Today is my fourth build vlog for my musical instrument, the Dodecahedrum, and we finally get some sound.
Barb Makes Things!
Still working on the Pentagon drums. I built some more shells, including smaller ones. I covered the clamp jigs with foil tape this time instead of just foil. This has the advantage of being multiple use and a little bit cleaner. I'm not planning on having all 12 sides contain this type of drum, but probably at least half. I laser cut hoops out of acrylic to hold the drum head material. I wasn't quite sure if these would be strong enough, but making them on the laser cutter was the quickest way to test the idea. The plan was to cut 4 pieces. 2 narrower ones for the top, 1 narrow and 1 wide for the bottom. The wider one extends inward so that it won't slide up the outside of the drum. It stays in place and lets me pull against it to tighten the head. I glued the bottom pieces together. Pizza Bob! Some of the holes either didn't cut quite all the way through or didn't align. I was testing a bunch and I had limited material. Problem is, when I went to drill through and got to the corners...
Broken.
Alright, let's cut that again with MDF. Not because I particularly like MDF, but it was there. If I do more of these, I'll probably use actual plywood and cut them on the CNC mill. I stitched the bottom 2 rings together. Could have glued them, but this'll work. Then I cut out a piece of a leatherish fabric that was big enough to wrap back over the hoop and stitched it together. The order of assembly here. I have an acrylic hoop first, in this case the pink one, then the fabric, then another hoop, the brown one, and the fabric folded over the inside. Finally, I wove some cord between the top and bottom parts and slid the drum shell in just before I finished. All that's left then is to tighten it up. And the acrylic cracked again in that same weak place at the corners. And all the engineers are like, yeah, obviously. It's really low. Ha ha ha! So this acrylic is not the right material. It's possible that thicker acrylic or wood could do the job. This seems to be holding all right for the time being, but I don't want to do the others like this. I think I'm either going to go with wood or seek out some help machining aluminum, as I'm plugged into a network of some pretty awesome makers here in LA. I'm not sure if the mic is picking it up, but this thing has a pretty deep resonant sound that I'm pretty excited about. A dodecahedron has 12 pentagonal sides. 1 down. If you like this video, share it with a friend. If you didn't, share it with an enemy. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Make sure to take a look at some of my other builds and how-tos. There are a lot of them. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you click the little bell, you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. If you'd like to get videos a little early and support my channel, you can visit my Patreon page. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.